Hey there, I'm Dan from Tech Support, and today I'm going to show you how you can link your Sendspark account with your Zoho integration. Okay, so as you can see right now, let me show you real quick. As you can see right now, I'm standing on the integration section. If you're asking how you can access this section, you can simply click here and you go to integrations, and that's all that you need. Of course, as you can see, there are many CRM integrations, so you can of course choose the one that you're using. Today we're only going to work on the Zoho integration. Okay, so first of all, let me explain that Zoho has two ways in which you can use them. They do have a single platform but with two different websites, right? Okay, so Zoho Campaigns is one of the websites. Zoho Campaigns allows you to use our merge tags, which are basically the variables that we offer, which are first name, job title, and company, right? But then again, Soho offers another website which can give you more access or more data in regards to the analytics of your videos, of your emails. Okay, so if you would like to get the full potential out of Soho, what you need to do is go to this section, and what Zoho asks from you, or actually what you need to input here on our website, is your Zoho Sales IQ. Okay, so whenever you click on connect, you'll notice that it says widget code, which is basically the Sales IQ code. So what I'll show you is how to get a hold of that code. Okay, so the moment that you actually access your Sales IQ Zoho Sales IQ website, that's the very first thing that you will actually see. So you have a lot of options. If you're actually standing somewhere else, just be sure that you click on live view and you'll get this right here. Okay, so be sure to copy the code and to also have a notepad available handy so you can actually paste it, because we will need to remove a simple section of this. Okay, so what I'll do here is just stand here, press enter so it doesn't actually go all the way there, because we only need this little section. And when I mean little, I actually mean quite a long section. Okay, so you'll find there that it says widget code, and you simply need to copy everything inside the quotes. Of course, just leave the quotes outside. So once you do that, just copy, go back to your settings here, paste it, and you can actually click save. And that's all that you need. As you can see, it has now been enabled. Okay, so please do let me know if you have any more questions. Have a great day. Bye bye.